Today at Mullin Machinery, we have a Sharp model VH-3 milling machine. It's a National 40 taper on the vertical and a National 50 taper on the horizontal. Machine came out of a high school, all original paint. Tell the machine didn't get a whole lot of use. There's the one horizontal support. There's the second horizontal support. We take the knee crank off so we don't walk into it. Comes with a 1/2-inch capacity Jacobs ball bearing super chuck on the 40 taper arbor. I threw in a looks like about a 4-inch face mill there that uses square positive inserts. Then we have a boring head, small boring head, Morse taper adapter, 2 more face mill adapters, and then end mill holders for 3/8, half, 5/8, 3/4, 7/8, 1 inch, and 1 1/4. There go the masking plates for the 8-inch Accudex type indexer that we have on the table. We put new hoses for the coolant drain. Just got to put hose clamps on them. And new rubber for the weight cover because the rubber was starting to get some cracks in it. We'll run the machine for you. When you start the machine, come over here. You have to push this green button first on top that arms the contactors. You'll hear a click in the box. Over here, this yellow button is just to jog the horizontal spindle. So if you're having trouble engaging it or something, you can do that. I prefer to rock it by hand, it's safer. This switch reverses spindle direction, both for the horizontal and the vertical. Up here we have the horizontal spindle. Now the horizontal is not vari-speed, it's a hard shifter on the side. Here's your vertical. Shut it off. You can't immediately restart it. You listen to the click in the head. It takes a couple seconds. The relay has to release the brake, then you can come back on. Here it goes. Hear the click, it releases. Over here is a switch. To the left, it has the brake off. You only put it to right to lock the brake when you're loosening the drawbar. This is for milling or tapping. You put it to the right if you were tapping, and you could have down and automatic reverse right there. We'll show you the table feeds. We don't need the spindle on to do that. Table, knee, everything. So there's feeding to your left. If you grab this bar, this gives you rapids. Feed to the right. The rapids. You should set the stops. We don't have the stops. They might be set. I'm not 100% sure where they are at the moment. This is your knee. It's feeding up, or you can use the rapid. You can see it feeding up. Now we'll use the rapid up. It's feeding down. We'll rapid down. When it hits the stop, it will kick out. Feed in, rapid. That's just the handle making noise. Coolant pump works. You're not going to turn it on. We have the coolant low enough so it doesn't come up. You can put a lock line on there, or whatever you want to do to feed it, but the machine's been rewired. The speeds work on it all. So now it's just ready to ship out. We just review the video and we'll get a truck lined up. For everyone else, you can check out what we have in stock by going to our website, mullinmachinery.com. That's MULLIN machinery.com for all your tool room and fabricating needs.